Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error with your battery. So if you update your your OS 6 to Big Sur, and also you have problem with your draining very fast battery, so how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is just restart your computer. So just go to the Apple, just tap on restart and just submit it. So after you restart your computer and your battery draining very fast, so another thing you can also try is just go to App Store and just download one of these apps, or battery monitor or battery health, and just check here your battery life. So if you have good battery life, or you need to replace your battery. Another option you can also try is just go to system preferences, just go tap here, and here you will see screen time. So just tap on it and just go to the options, and here you need to turn off. So just tap on turn off, and now try to use your Mac again, and I hope that your Mac will works longer without charging, because this option takes a lot of your battery. So just try. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.